ScribeStar is a secure, cloud-based platform for issuing and maintaining securities in capital markets. So what does that actually mean? It's a place in the cloud where all the market participants come together. The companies, the lawyers, the advisors, all into one seamless digital environment. We have specific customized workflows in there that automate and streamline the process, getting rid of the manual repetitive processes that each of the advisors go through. And because it's a digital environment, it creates information that's machine readable and therefore useful. We're fixing the way that companies interact with capital markets for good. If you think of capital markets, you're thinking of bonds, IPOs, listed companies, listed funds, SPACs. And the problem is, trying to get to market and then stay in the market is a horrendous, laborious and time-consuming process. It's still completely analog, so it uses old technologies. The consequence of that is that it's very slow to come to market. It can take about 12 months to come to do an IPO. And on top of that, it'll cost you a lot. It can cost up to 15% of the amount of money that you're actually looking to raise.
Since starting to use ScribeStar, increasingly members of the team have become dependent on it. They very much want to see us using it on all of our transactions, and they don't like it when we're not using it. They find it far more efficient, it allows them to use their time more efficiently, and it also means that they're less time in the office. They're not sitting around all night waiting for someone else to send them something which they then need to input.
ScribeStar is being used for public and private transactions, and that's securities of any type, equities, debt, and it's also being used for ongoing reporting and corporate actions. So think of results announcements, ESG reports. We can save up to 50% of the time normally spent on these types of transactions. And we know because we've had about 87 different deals on our system, with 37 IPOs or follow-on equity issues. And we've helped raise £8.8 billion for companies that we've worked with. We've seen law firms like Travers Smith, CMS, Taylor Wessing adopt the system. On top of that, we've had another 6 law firms join onto the system in the last 12 months, and we're still seeing that interest growing. However, we've also seen a real interest from securities exchanges in what we do. And we've had conversations going with exchanges based in the UK, Europe, North America and Africa.
We are, and members of my team who've used ScribeStar, are big fans and will continue to do so.
So you can see the problem. We've shown that we can address it. And we know that we can address it because of the interest that we've seen from law firms and stock exchanges. So join us in this journey. Invest in us so that we can create the standard way that companies interact with capital markets.